Okay, it's October 20, year 2023. Yan. Si Doc Knock flying his Goose Sky RS4.
Wala pang kulang pa sa kampante.
Oh, scale flying.
Flying muna.
Nako, init na.
Bike din, oh.
Oo nga eh, super stable nga eh, oh. Tsaka silent. walang yung pinion to main gear, yung grinding.
Oo.
Parang ko yan, yung MSH na Protos, yung Protos 500 ko ganoon eh. Belt drive siya. Ako, may tumawag na. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.
Thank you.